Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the concluding day or the feedback session day for your course on big data. So, this is an open session. We are here just to get any feedback from you regarding the session that is conducted, any feedback regarding the syllabus that was designed, or anything else that you want to discuss with us. It will be our pleasure if you could give some inputs regarding the lecture to us. Any one of you, any input regarding the course that was conducted or anything else? And regarding our certificates, we will be issuing your certificates within this week. So within the next particular week, we'll send you your certificates in the PDF format. Other than that, if you have any doubt regarding the lectures or anything that you want to discuss about the concepts that were there or anything else, then you are free to open your mic and speak up. And I'll be sharing the link for today's attendance soon. In that particularly, you need to write your name in the manner that you want your certificates to be there on. So the name that you write in today's attendance form, Google form, should be the name that you want us to be written on your certificates. And same way, there will be options to select that whether you are a student or any other, or a faculty or any other thing. So you can select that particular part and then answer that Google format. Thank you, Suraj. If you found that the course was well planned and yes, the courses, the lectures, according to the days, are there on YouTube. So this you need to go to YouTube channel and you can find all the lectures there on YouTube. Anybody else with any sort of doubts or anything?
Hello. Am I audible, Sakshi?
Yes, sir, audible. Yes, Rishabh, you can ask about your doubt related to the project.
Okay. So, am I audible to all? Good afternoon, Good afternoon. So, this is Dr. Mukesh, the coordinator for this program. I congratulate you for the successful completion of the course, and I really appreciate the dedication with which you all attended the course. We really are grateful to our experts, Shruti ji, then Shano Solanki ji, and Urvashi madam. They really spared their precious time and they prepared very well to all of you. And I hope that all of you must have gained a lot of things about the big data analytics, the language, the Hadoop, then Pig, then Hive, means a lot of things you must have gained. And the expectations from you all is that you need to pursue from here on. And we as the coordinating team as well as our experts will always remain available to you. You may contact them anytime. They definitely are going to help you. And in future also we will continue organize such events, such programs which are going to benefit the youth to gain some technical skills and to improvise upon the industry requirements. So this is our intention and our goal also. So I once again congratulate you and the organizing team led by Sakshi Kapoor and other three project interns, which are Atul, then Kashish, and then last one was also Webhav. So all of them really contributed very well to organization of the course. So now I hope to listen now, about the program, means how you felt throughout the course, how you felt for the complete 1 month, about the technical contents, about the delivery method, and especially YouTube kind of experiment that we are doing day by day. So now stage is open for you all to give the your true feedback, because this is the to improve upon the contents to be covered in future. So I request you all to share your original feedback and do not hesitate to switch on your cameras while you are speaking. So I just open the mic to all. Stand up and share your experiences about the course. जी बच्चों. किसी की जो भी फीडबैक है, कुछ भी कोई कहना चाहे अबाउट, they are most welcome. Do not hesitate to speak up. Your feedback is going to improve ourselves. So please speak, share your experiences about the course. Han, please welcome. आप बेटे माइक ऑन करो, स्पीक आउट. अर्चित, आयुष, दीपांशु, हितेश जी, कार्तिक, please speak up. Give your true and
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for conducting a wonderful webinar for us. We gained very much from all of the teachers, and I just want to say that it was a wonderful event to enhance our skills, but the time period was a little bit long for us. अगर थोड़ा सा break होता sir, तो it would be more beneficial for us. Otherwise, it was very good, excellent. I have no words for that webinar. In a short period, we learned very much. Thank you so much, Punjab University. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Gunika ji. That really are the words of words which are of great help to us. Time constraint was there actually. We planned to deliver a lot of things within a constrained 1 month period, and that is true in this pandemic. And we considered all aspects of students. Means we considered that students must having their online classes in the daytime. So we planned it in the evening, and we talked to the experts also that you just deliver for 45 minutes, means 4 to 4:45, and then 10 or 15 minutes you may just let them relax, or you can say just to get them involved in some question answering or doubts clearing session. So we agree that the time was a bit longer while considering the medium of dissemination in online way. But we will definitely keep a look at it, and in the near course we'll definitely will be considering your suggestion. Thank you, Gunika. Thank you. जी बच्चों, participants, all of you are expected to at least leave some feedback for us, because you are there for 1 month joining this course, and we all are together. So do not hesitate to speak out. And it is not going to affect your certification like that at all. Just forget those little things. So please be open. Share your true feedback. Dr. Hitesh Marwaj, your feedback is really going to matter a lot for us. So please give your suggestions, give your feedback about the course. Dr. Hitesh ji. Dipanshu, are you there? Ayush, Dipanshu, Hitesh. Then Dr. Bonello ji, please give your feedback. Rajat, Saksham. Okay. So he's having some connection problem. Then Rishabh, Minhas, and Saksham, speak out. What do you feel? What you gained from this workshop? Samriti Guleria. Samriti ji, please switch on your mic and share your thoughts about the program. Yes, yes. Called Mario ji, you are most welcome to speaker. Mario ji, please.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, I wanted to say that it was very well presented. Lecturers were very knowledgeable. They answered all our queries. Something maybe I could suggest is for resources, like notes, codes, presentations, everything is uploaded on a Google Drive so that everyone can access it, rather than waiting, for it to be submitted in the WhatsApp. That is my only suggestion. Otherwise, the course was very good.
Okay. Thanks a lot. We definitely will consider this for next course. Means we will make things available on Google Drive before the conduct of the present lecture. The Jupyter notebooks or other code material will be made available in advance at Google Drive, and the link will be shared with the participants. Thank you very much, Malinoji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. And we really are grateful to have you in our course. You are always present there. You are always very interactive with the experts. That's a great thing from your side.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot. So other participants, Vinayak Sharma, Shailesh Singh, speak out. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई जरूरत हो करने की, जस्ट टू गिव योर फीडबैक. आप 1 महीने से हमारे साथ हो, आपकी खुद से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है टू इम्प्रूव अपॉन. आप सजेशन नहीं दोगे, आप कुछ अच्छी चीजों को अच्छी, बुरी को बुरी नहीं कहोगे, तो कैसे इंप्रूव करेंगे हम सब लोग. सो प्लीज कम आउट ऑफ द शेकल्स एंड स्पीक अप. समृति गुलेरिया, स्पीक अप. वरना हमें यही लगता रहेगा दैट यू वर देयर इन ऑनलाइन बट नॉट इन ऑफलाइन वे. Vinayak and Samriti Guleria, are you there? Raghav, Parik, Murari.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
जी.
Am I audible?
हाँ जी, you are very much audible. जी.
Sir, I was having some network issue. Sir, I just want to say that the course was completely fine. I really enjoyed and really learned a lot. My only critique would be that we were changing topics very quickly. You know, kabhi hum Ubuntu kar rahe the, kabhi MongoDB, and we were switching really fast. So
Okay.
that was a bit of a problem for me. Catch up करने में थोड़ा time लग रहा था. But otherwise, it was completely fine. I had a great time. Thank you everyone.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Ayush. Thanks a lot. We got your point. Means we need to stick to lesser number of technical tools instead of going through a lot in 1 month period. So
Yes, sir.
your
But
suggestion
yeah,
is
it was a crash course, so it's understandable. But yeah, it's easy to focus on one thing.
Okay. Fine. Means to say, if we focus only upon our language and our language projects throughout 1 month, then also it was okay.
Yes, sir.
Instead of touching upon Hadoop also, then Pig Hive, etc. Okay, got it.
Okay, thank
Take
you.
care of this in our future programs. Good, well done. G participants, others, please leave your feedback.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून.
सर, कहने की और कुछ जरूरत तो है नहीं. सब कुर्त सर ने और विनायक शर्मा ने अच्छे सजेशंस दिए हैं और जो कोर्स था वो काफी अच्छा था. हमने काफी कुछ सीखा इस कोर्स में और जितने भी हमारे टीचर्स थे वो भी काफी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे चीजों को. बस ये था कभी बीच में कई बार लगता था कि चीजें ज्यादा फास्ट जा रही हैं, जैसे कि विनायक ने बताया कि कभी हम उबंटू पे कर रहे थे, देन वी सडन MongoDB, और बस यही था. थोड़ी चीजें थी और बाकी सब तो सर मतलब हमने काफी कुछ सीखा, लाइक बिग डेटा और सम MongoDB और भी काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला. तो कोर्स सर ओवरऑल बहुत सही था. थैंक यू.
ओके. थैंक्स अ लॉट बच्चे, थैंक्स अ लॉट. हम इसका ध्यान रखेंगे बच्चों. नेक्स्ट वाले प्रोग्राम में डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क अपॉन दिस. Instead of stretching our hands to too many things, we will concentrate upon only a subset of those. So we definitely will take care of this. All participants, Samriti Guleria, I am asking you for feedback from last 10 or 15 minutes. If you just switch on your mic and share your thoughts. Dr. Hitesh ji. Archit and Shivam. Shivam बच्चों अपनी feedback share. हाँ जी.
Good evening, sir. So myself, Divyanshu. The session was really good. Everything was taught very nicely. The presentations is also the teachers, and they also created a WhatsApp group, and everything was really fine. But I want to suggest that the session was quite long. So instead of continuing such a long session, you could have breaked it into parts. Maybe like in 1 hour, they are going to teach big data, and that time every day it's going to be the same technology, and the other time the other. So it could be easy to handle both the times.
Okay.
That's it. Otherwise, it was a very nice session. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you. Definitely we'll consider this. Means we should fix first hour for Hadoop, second hour for R, you may say, and throughout the month, we should follow this time period. Good suggestion, really workable, and we will think of it. Thanks a lot. Thank you. और participants बच्चों, please participants share करो बच्चों अपने thoughts, अपनी suggestions. तभी हम improve कुछ कर पाएंगे, because the next program we are planning is on the deep learning, and the other one on the web development. So जब तक आप हमें बताओगे नहीं तब तक हम कैसे improve करेंगे, कैसे हम उनको अच्छी तरीके से organize करा पाएंगे हम. So we need to maximize the dissemination efficiency. So for that we are just you can say we are in need of your feedback. We are in need of your suggestions. और suggestions participants और दो अपनी suggestions बचो. Anybody else? It's better to switch on your mic and share verbally. We are all educated enough, we are all good enough just to converse in any of the language, no bar at all. Yeah, Rishabh. जी ऋषभ मिन्हास बोलिए.
सर एक सजेशन, नेक्स्ट जो भी कोर्स होगा उसको अगर हम कैनवस और उस पे करें, प्याजा पे करें तो काफी अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि प्याजा पे आपको बच्चे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं तो काफी इंटरेक्टिव हो सकता है, और कोड भी शेयर करना हो वो भी अच्छा रहेगा.
ओके. अच्छा सजेशन है बेटे. कौन कौन से टूल्स आपने बताए?
सर एक प्याजा है,
PYAZA.
नहीं PIAZZA,
ओके.
और एक कैनवस है,
कैनवस
उस पे असाइन. हाँ
ओके. We definitely will explore these
Okay,
two
sir.
tools. We'll try to go for them. Definitely we'll try. Thank you. Thanks a lot. और कोई suggestion participants? Okay. So again, let's wind it up. सभी को शुभकामनाएं. Congratulations. Do well with your life. Always keep on learning. We will intimate you whenever our next program under this center is going to start. We definitely are going to inform you subgroup through your emails, so try to attend it, and along with give your suggestions also. If you think that this course is worth conducting, then you may just drop a mail to us. We definitely will try to have it in future. तो सभी को शुभकामनाएं. और बाकी आपके प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशन की कल आपकी लास्ट डेट है 13 को. अपने प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट कीजिए थ्रू गूगल क्लासरूम, जो भी श्रुति जी ने आपको अलॉट किए हुए हैं. और द नेक्स्ट थिंग अबाउट योर सर्टिफिकेट्स, दे विल बी मेल्ड टू यू आफ्टर checking your eligibility criteria, whether you fulfill the attendance criterion and also the quiz criterion and project criterion. If these all are fulfilled, then definitely you're going to get the certificates. The soft copy of certificates will be emailed to you within 1 week of 1 week of this course. And you're always welcome to ask questions to clear your doubts from our experts, from ours also. So thank you very much. Okay, thank you. ठीक है साक्षी, is that fine? We may all leave?
Yes, sir. There is one more information to you regarding your attendance part. For the certificates. The attendance link that has been shared today, kindly fill your credentials in that in a particular manner, because we will be using that form for your certificate generation. So please do fill that form carefully. And thank you everyone for all your valuable suggestions. We'll hope we'll improve according to your suggestions in the next time, whenever we conduct the next course. So thank you everyone.